Celebrity-backed brands actually make good investments? Nicole Quinn from Lightspeed Venture Partners has led investments in Lady Gaga's new House Laboratories, Gwyneth Paltrow's Goop, and Jessica Alba's The Honest Company. Nicole joins us now from San Francisco. Welcome, Nicole. So what's the secret to finding a celebrity entrepreneur that can also make a profitable and fast-growing consumer brand?
So, as you mentioned, we've certainly invested in a lot of businesses that have celebrities as the founders, as the chairwoman, as Lady Gaga is. So it's something we think about a lot. One of the things that we think makes it very successful is when they have a truly authentic, passionate, engaged user base. So take Lady Gaga. She has over 80 million followers on Twitter alone, nearly 40 million on Instagram. And these are little monsters. These are people who are so passionate about Lady Gaga. We're living in a world where it's becoming increasingly expensive for brands to acquire users on Facebook, on Google, on television. And so we find it's far easier and more efficient to turn a fan into a user than it is to acquire a new user. And so we're working with these celebrities who already have huge, motivated, engaged fan bases of people that really turn to them for advice and want to buy these products.
So social media has enabled this, has it, Nicole?
Yeah, we're certainly living in an Instagram world and one where celebrities and influencers, I'm very bullish on the long tail of micro-influencers. And so certainly Instagram and also social media has enabled this and will continue to. We're actually investors in a company called Cameo, and Cameo is a marketplace where you can buy video shout-outs right now by celebrities and influencers. So that's another great one.
How do you think about the risk involved with branding something around one person? What if there's a celebrity scandal or something controversial that would be such a big turnoff to the audience and the consumer?
Yeah, so when a celebrity or influencer comes to us with an idea, they come to us as a founder, as an entrepreneur, and we very much speak to them exactly as that. And so as with any founder and entrepreneur, we need to do our research, do our diligence into who they are as a person, what the past looks like, what the future may look like. We like to say history doesn't repeat itself, but it rhymes. So when you are working with someone like Jessica Alba or Lady Gaga, they have a strong past, and that is predictive of the future. We also like to think about brands that will stand the test of time and go on to be large, successful, private or public brands. And so that's often more than just based on one personality alone. It needs to be an entire platform and a true brand.
Very quickly, you just said public. When are we going to actually see any of these companies go public? I cannot remember the last consumer products IPO that we had.
You are right. There's so much appetite for these companies by the private equity firms, by the strategics, and that's why we're seeing Beats by Dre acquired for multi-billions. That's why we're seeing Anastasia, Fenty, so many of these companies that stay owned by strategics because they are creating so much value. But I'm a big believer that we will see some public exits by some of these companies as well.